Yes, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, does limit the wattage per square foot for electric underfloor heating systems. For floor warming systems, the maximum wattage density allowed under the NEC is typically 12 watts per square foot. However, there is an exception to this rule. For floor warming systems installed specifically in bathrooms, the wattage density can be increased up to 24 watts per square foot. There are several reasons for this restriction on wattage. One primary reason is fire safety. Limiting the wattage density helps prevent overheating and potential fire hazards that could arise from excessive heat generation. Comfort is also a consideration. Excessive heat can become uncomfortable to walk on, making the underfloor heating system less enjoyable for the user. Additionally, energy efficiency is a factor. High wattage densities require more energy consumption, which can lead to increased electricity bills and a less sustainable heating solution. It's important to note that the wattage density limit applies to the entire floor area where the heating system is installed. The wattage of the heating system should be calculated based on the total square footage of the heated area to ensure that the wattage density does not exceed the allowable limit. Exceeding the wattage density can compromise the safe and proper operation of the system. Also, it is very important to remember that these restrictions are not found in all versions of the NEC. Always refer to the latest version of the code for your specific location, as electrical codes and standards can vary depending on the jurisdiction. In addition to adhering to the NEC guidelines, there are other considerations for installing electric underfloor heating systems. One is to install a floor sensor to monitor the temperature and prevent overheating. The floor sensor provides feedback to the system, allowing it to regulate the temperature and avoid exceeding safe levels. It is also recommended to use a thermostat to regulate the temperature of the system. A thermostat allows users to set their desired temperature and maintain a comfortable environment. It's best practice to consult with a qualified electrician for proper installation and safety precautions. A qualified electrician will have the knowledge and experience to ensure that the system is installed correctly and that all safety measures are in place, including proper wiring, grounding, and overcurrent protection.